How to fix Windows 11 microphone not working. To fix the Windows 11 microphone not working error, first of all, start by checking your privacy information. All you have to do is tap Windows button and I to open the settings. Once the setting is opened up, all you have to do is now go ahead and navigate to the privacy and security option. From here, go to the microphone. You should be able to find it over here from the list. Once you find the microphone, go ahead and tap on it. From here, all you have to do is make sure to enable the microphone access, which should be shown to you at the top. Once you enable this feature, all you have to do is now enable app and system permissions. You should be able to find a long curated list of applications over here. You simply have to turn them on if it is turned off. Once you do this, now the microphone will be usable to or on that specific application. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.